Alright, today I'm going to show you how to set up and use the voice command on a Ford Mustang. Alright, so I have a Ford Mustang. I'm going to show you how to set up the voice command on this. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Alright, so right here I have the middle console with all the controls right here. And I'm going to show you how to set up the voice command. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and you see all the controls right here. You're going to go up on this and you're going to go to where it says settings. So I'm going to press settings. And then once it's on settings and it brings you the screen as sound, clock, Bluetooth, phone, radio, mobile apps, general, and 911 assist. I don't want any of that. I want the other screen. And you see there's two dots right here. That's indicative that there's two different screens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here and slide it over just like that. And then right here it shows voice control. It's right after Wi-Fi, automatic updates, Ford Pass, Connect, Apple CarPlay, vehicles display, and then before you get to valet. So you see the voice control. I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And it comes up here and it says phone confirmation, voice command list, and advanced mode. And so it gives you all these options for advanced. It says turning advanced mode removes many voice help prompts and allows you to start speaking sooner. So that's that. All right, so close that. And then this right here, voice confirmation. If enabled, it will sync. Sync will confirm the contact name before making the call if you want it to sync with your phone. Voice command list. Voice command list, if enabled, sync will display a list of valid commands when listening for voice command. Yeah, that's helpful if you're just learning. So let's go ahead and do that. So that's voice command. So like once I have this all set up right here, I'm going to go out of this. And so that's voice control. And in order to get this going, you're just going to come up here and you'll see this button on right here on the steering wheel. You go ahead and press that. And it gives you options right here. And you can say call mama.
Please try again.
She's not locked in. She like deleted me, I guess. So not in there. Or you could
say a command like call Stephen, FM 88.7, AM 950, Sirius Channel 2, or the Sirius channel name. For a list of commands, say commands.
I'm going to commands.
A list of voice commands for Sirius is now on the screen.
So these are the types of commands that you can ask. You can say show the games, show the X Series XM game. You do all of these different commands. There's a lot of different commands for stuff like this. So those are the series IM commands. I'm going to go back. I'm going to try it again. Go ahead. Turn on the radio. All right, so it turned on the radio. So it's pretty cool. So you press it and you can go through it and it's self-guiding to help you guide through the commands. But you should definitely read your owner's manual for the vehicle, your particular vehicle, so you know how to use the voice commands specifically for your vehicle and have a clear understanding before you use your vehicle. And not just rely on this right here. This is just here to show you that it's there. So that's the voice commands. I hope this was a little nudge forward. I didn't get really into depth with it, but read your owner's manual and go through it because it's kind of simple once you get started right here. Thanks a lot for watching.